If you're part of an active family and enjoy daily exercise, you have just found your new family member. Rainey is a 2-year-old Great Dane mix who came to the Humane Society when her owners moved to a no-pets complex. Rainey is eager to please. She currently knows the commands for sit and down. She is very treat-oriented and would love to have you teach her more. She also enjoys long walks and playing with toys. Rainey may be a little shy at first, but with some patience and a little extra TLC, she will quickly become your best friend and loyal companion. Rainey has lived with other dogs in the past, so bring your current canines for a meet and greet today at the Humane Society of Southern Arizona.